Everybody wanna be the cool kid. He said it was off, but that boy was smoking full mid. This chopper doing damage and knock him off the grid. With these diamonds, it's a ice age. Papa really see. I do 100 in the coupe, I do 100.
So yeah, right here, you know what I'm saying? If you got locks, you definitely want to rinse out your hair. You definitely want y'all didn't get to see me up under the dryer, but I'm still kind of damp. My hair is still kind of damp, but you definitely want to dry off y'all hair. You know what I'm saying? You can see like maybe one or two lint pieces in my hair, but after you get done with the detoxing process, you're definitely gonna notice a difference. Okay, that second, you're definitely going to notice a difference. Y'all can actually notice a difference in my locks right now. If you look closely, it looks more cleaner. And she just, like, before she started to retwist, and I'm actually going to give y'all the tutorial, the official tutorial that she's, but before we getting into the retwisting process, right? She scanned through my hair, like, she like, yo, like, I'm like, yeah, I know you got a challenge cut out for you today. And you can see, man, she coming through, man. So at first I'm not gonna speed it up for you guys, just so I can show you guys on how the method that she's using to retwist my hair, the method that she's using to twist my hair. This how I always had my hair done. The loctician always had a comb. The loctician always used some type of light gel, either light gel or oil or something to that nature. You know what I'm saying? And this is like her just basically getting started on like one or two. Y'all can still see like my full head. You know what I'm saying? So here it is right here, the official tutorial, man. She breaking it down for y'all, all right? Boom. She going with the comb to make the part more slicker. She used the gel or whatever product she got, and she continues to twist, and she uses her palm to roll it down, right? To make it stay, she got the little curl at the bottom of it. And you can see the same method again. The parting, when she parts it, she takes the gel, she slicks the roots, and she twists the roots with the gel. Then she palm rolls the full dreads, the full lock, and she uses two locks because the style that I had was a two-strand twist, either a two-strand twist or a three-strand twist. I agreed to a three-strand twist because of like how long my locks was, how many locks I had. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see right here, man. I got a lot of new growth, and it's a lot of locks. You know what I'm saying? So at the same time, I'm trying to get done in time to go get this haircut for y'all at the same time too. You know what I'm saying? So all of this right here. So I just basically showed y'all how she did it. You know what I'm saying? Look, man, it's about 6 months to a year on new and look at the face, look at the facial expression of this guy. Look at the he is going through it. This tells y'all right here, right now, get your locks retwisted. Like I would say, don't listen to them. Okay, that's the first thing I'm gonna say. Don't listen to them. They say you have to get your locks retwisted either every 6 weeks or every 2 months. It's like, you don't have to get your locks retwisted every 6 weeks to 2 months. You don't have to do that. All right. So if a loctician is telling you that, 9 times out of 10, she just want that residual. All right, the residual income every 2 months. So what you really want to do is, and like if you go back and look at my other retwist videos, I have never done this. You know what I'm saying? This is like once in a lifetime. Like I've waited like 6 months to a year to get my hair retwisted. So really the golden spot that you really want to get in the retwist is like around 4 months. When you have 4 months, like that's a good enough. Your new growth has grown a lot. You feel me? Your locks are actually getting a chance to lock on their own, and just it definitely depending on what type of hair you got. You feel me? But as you can see, man, I got the coarse hair. You feel me? So good hair, but it's just coarse. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, you can still kind of see like the residue and things of that nature. But see what I'm gonna do after this, after I take out my 3-strand, the 2-strand twist, I'm gonna get a I'm gonna do 2 detoxes, and I'm gonna do a wash also. So I'm also gonna show that for y'all as well. You know what I'm saying? So she doing the same thing that I told y'all throughout the whole head. You feel me? I don't know what product she using. You feel me? But I don't know if it's just me, but like most of the time, like after you get done, like getting your hair retwisted or anything like that of that nature, it be feeling like your head be itching or something like that. Like, like, what did you use in my hair? Like my hair low key itch now. You know what I'm saying? So like, I'm really knowing like my girl, she about to learn how to lock, retwist, and stuff like that. She gonna be using aloe. So everybody out there, man, I would suggest y'all to use aloe to get a clean, nice, clean little retwist in. And like I said, man, this is only just a part of just me bringing my locks back to life, me bringing my locks back to health. Because as you can see right here, man, my locks, they're very healthy. You know what I'm saying? They're very healthy, but I want to make them even more healthy to where you don't see like as much residue, as much product buildup, as much lint in my hair. You feel me? So all that is gonna take is the proper products and the and just like a routine of what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to do much to locks for you to really maintain them or to really like keep them healthy. You have to really avoid a lot of things. Avoid a lot of things like coloring. Like if y'all bleaching y'all hair a lot, I wouldn't recommend y'all do that. What else I wouldn't recommend? I wouldn't recommend y'all like sleeping on a cotton pillowcase. Like I'm telling y'all the things that I done been through, except for the coloring. I know for a fact I done seen people hair fall out. I done see, and that's not the thing that scares me. The main reason why I won't get my hair colored is because everybody else got their hair colored, and if I get my hair colored, I'm gonna be looking like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? So let me be the only one on earth that ain't got their hair colored.
Here with the Luxury Locks
Tell them where you
LLC.
located.
I am right here in Atlanta, Georgia.
Okay, Atlanta,
At
Georgia.
ATL.
All right, so look, man. Shout out to the Luxury Locks from the A. You know what I'm saying? Look, man. Getting back to the video. I don't mean to get off track. Also, I don't mean to get off track. All right, so getting right back to the video. Look, so y'all see, I'm clearly showing y'all. I'm dropping all gems. This video. I'm visually showing y'all how I get my hair twisted, how I get my hair retwisted from the worst condition. You know what I'm saying? From the worst condition. So this video right here is pointing out each way that she putting it into the 2-strand twist. Look, she twists the base. Twist the base with the gel, come back up, boom, palm roll. And after she do one like that, she go to another one, do the same thing, boom. Then, look, it's coming to the point now. I don't went to the hair salon so much. I'm like, man, look, I might as well retwist my hair. It done came up like, you feel me, in my head a couple times, but I'm like, nah, not enough patience. Not enough patience, right? But look, this what I just came up with, right? So I'm like, all right, cool. I can really cut hair if I take my time with it. I can really cut hair. You know what I'm saying? It'll probably take me like a year for me to like want to cut somebody else's hair. You get what I'm saying? But if I really take my time, see, I know I can dominate that, right? So then, my girl, she was talking about how she wanted to retwist and twist hair and jump like that. So I'm like, all right, cool, bet. So, you know, it could be a method to this madness. You dig what I'm talking about? It could be a method to this madness. And y'all could be seeing like, you know, videos like that. You know, I don't know if y'all would be interested in that, but I know y'all would be interested into like the whole transformation thing and whole person getting retwisted, you feel me? And I basically created this video with the intentions of like, yo, like me going from whatever into, you know what I'm saying, something polished. You feel me? Just for the whole video. You get what I'm saying? This is 6 months to a year of not getting a haircut. Now, like I just explained to you, I can kind of cut hair, you feel me? So I might do something with my head, you feel me? Or I might just throw on the Up Next satin line beanie that you can buy at upnextlifestyle.com. You know, I might just throw on those for like a couple of days or something, you feel me? It's just something like that, you know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing too crazy, you know what I'm talking about? Like, cause really what I wanted to get into the haircutting the haircutting thing, just so I can polish up myself, like right now if I wanted to. You know what I'm saying? Like, so that's what I like during the COVID times. You feel me? During the COVID times when you supposed to be when you supposed to be I just got a DoorDash order. I got excited, but when you supposed to be like developing new skills and like everything like that, like during these times you have to be developing skills. You dig what I'm saying? You got to be developing skills. You got to be on something. You can't be on just nothing. You get what I'm saying? You can't just be doing nothing. You feel me? And I'm talking to myself currently too. You feel me? Like when I be speaking it to y'all, I'm not just somebody who just gonna speak it to y'all and not speak it to myself too. You feel me? That's what I like about my supporters. They've been around. You know what I'm saying? Like they've been around since I've been through like 1 year. You feel me? One of my most viewed videos when I was on the 1 year journey. You know what I'm saying? On the 1 year mark. You feel me? So this been going on. This been what's happening. You feel me? It just coming with more content now. I'm coming with longer forms of content. I'm coming with more shorts. You dig what I'm talking about? We coming different. We coming with a whole website. Forget the social medias. Don't forget the social medias. They ain't a link in the description. But we coming with a whole website now. You feel me? Really trying to build a community. Coming with a whole Discord. You get what I'm talking about? So, yeah, man, I just want to be here especially I want to be here for the people that support me. And so with me creating products and like me thinking of things, ideas of inventions, I love when my supporters support me. You feel me? Buy into my products, buy into me. You feel me? Like, it's one of the greatest feelings ever. And I just want to thank y'all for that. You feel me? So anybody out there who bought a beanie, anybody out there who bought 5 beanies at one time, you know what I'm talking about? You know, so just going crazy like that, I got to be thankful for those types of moments. You feel me? So while I be doing these videos, I be thinking about y'all, real talk. Like I just told y'all, one of my most viewed videos is me on my first year. So since my first year, you know, this been documented. So it's a whole movement over here. You know, it's not just something that I'ma just wake up and I'ma just, you dig? So look, while she retwisting my hair, right? I'm sitting there, I'm just thinking, damn, she going through hell right now. Cause I'm going through hell. Cause it be hurt. this is hurt. It hurts. You hear me? It hurts my soul. Look at my face. It hurts my soul. You feel me? It hurts my soul. Do not do this. Do not do this challenge. Do not let this video influence you to have freeform locks. When in reality, you know you're gonna go back to getting your hair maintained and stuff like that. Look, man, be careful. Be careful. You feel me? What you do with your locks, man? Be careful. Like real talk, though, you know. Cause I know I be saying like simple things to y'all as far as like pillows, what type of pillows you know what I'm saying? My girl, she got me a silky pillowcase. You feel me? I might come out with this silk pillowcases. I'm loving the silk pillowcases. You feel me? It's getting real. You know what I'm saying? Cause like real talk, if you get a retwist and you go back and you know, sometimes I do lay on other pillows and I can kind of see it. You know what I'm saying? I can see it when I wake up. Okay, cotton might be in my hair. You know what I'm saying? Like it be different stuff. You know, so you really just want to be careful. Like, you know, what you do to your hair, what other people put in your hair. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you ask them before they just go crazy. You know what I'm saying? Or just research enough about that person that you go get your locks done by. You know, don't just go to somebody random. And by researching, I mean you on Instagram with it. You might go look at their profile. You know, they might be posting like crazy. If you want your locks to look like that, go hit them up. That's how you find people that's gonna retwist your hair. You know what I'm saying? That's how I found people that's gonna retwist my hair. That's what I do. You know what I'm saying? I go on Instagram, I go to the one that's nearest me, you know, and who I feel like who can do it, you know.